simple person, and I'm content with what I have. I don't need a lot to be happy, just peace, love, and a grateful heart. Life is not about having more, but enjoying what's already there. Life feels lighter when you stop comparing and start appreciating. Simple life, peaceful heart.
Good day, everyone. A pleasant greetings to all, most especially to our beloved school principal, Ma'am Liza K. Marasigan, to the dedicated and responsible teachers of San Miguel Elementary School, to our supportive and valued parents, and to my fellow students. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and humility as I receive this recognition. I am truly honored and thankful for this opportunity. This award is not only a reflection of my efforts, but rather a motivation to keep going, learning, and growing in workplace. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest appreciation to our teachers. Your dedication, patience, and passion for teaching have made a lasting impact on us. You do more than just teach a lessons from books. You inspire us to believe in ourselves, to stay curious, and to continue learning even when things become difficult. Thank you for guiding us, encouraging us, and always reminding us that education is one of the most powerful tools that we can have in our future. To our beloved parents and families, I offer my heartfelt thanks. Your love, sacrifices, and constant support that give us the strength and motivation to keep going. You wake up early, work hard, and always remind us to do our best in school. Your encouragement helps us to overcome challenges and pushes us to reach our goals. This recognition is also for you because without your guidance and belief in us, we would not be able to achieve what we have today. I would also like to thank to our school for providing us with a safe, supporting, and inspiring environment where we can learn and study. Our school is not just a place where we study. It is a place where we can discover our abilities, build friendships, and develop values that can guide us throughout our lives. The lessons we learn here goes beyond academics. They teach us discipline, responsibility, perseverance, and the importance of working together. To my classmates and friends, thank you for being part of this journey. We have shared many experiences together, studying for exams, completing projects, overcoming challenges, and celebrating successes. You make learning more enjoyable and meaningful. And you remind me that success is better when shared with others. Receiving this recognition inspires me to continue striving for excellence. It reminds me that hard work, determination, and the support of people around us can make us achieve our dreams. I promise to continue doing my best, not just for my studies, but also in becoming responsible and positive individual who can contribute to the community. Once again, I would like to thank to our teachers, to our parents, to our school, and to everyone who has supported and believed in us. This recognition is not the end of our journey, but rather a motivation to keep going, learning, and reaching for our greater goals. Thank you very much, and may we all continue working together and building a brighter future.